Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to this video. It's all the highlights from Simply Ford here at Beaulieu. These are our top 3 cars I'd voted for by the public here today, but more than 1,000 cars turned up. Let's have a look what's turned up and let's find out who our winner is. Behind me, all the cars coming in, and there was a GoPro set up to time-lapse of all of you coming in. However, this man in the worst shirt ever ruined it.
I quite like it.
clear that I'm a freelancer, okay, so I contracted to Beaulieu, so I should remain impartial, and I am totally impartial, apart from this car, because this is my absolute favourite car in the world, bar none, ever, and I'm not just saying that. It was the car that got me into cars. I've never even sat in one. I adore it, and I've said no, because if I do go in there, I'll just drool and ruin the interior. 15?
Yes, that's right, yes.
Now, usually with a Model T, you expect a more senior gentleman to be driving it, and unless you've had fantastic plastic surgery, you are not a senior gentleman. So tell us why you've got a Model T.
Well, my family have been into cars of this sort of age for about 60 years, I suppose, and we've just been brought up around them, really. And
fantastic. This was, once upon a time, a Focus ST.
It was.
And now it's running pretty much everything Focus RS,
yep.
And on the exterior it's got this fantastic WRC kit.
Yep. Yes, that's right.
The way this works, we don't have a third, second and first, we have 2 runners-up and an overall winner. So, ladies and gentlemen, I have the pleasure of telling you the first runner-up here at Simply Ford at Beaulieu 2023 is... Sir. The Ford Model T. He's actually got spec owner. Well done to you. I tell you what, look at the cars that you're sat next to. That's not bad going, is it?
no, thank you very much.
You are very welcome. Focus versus Escort Cosworth. Both of them turbocharged. 4 cylinders, 5 cylinders. The predecessor, the successor. If you think the Cosworth has won, cheer for me now. Okay, if you think the Focus has won, cheer for me now. All right.
Right, here we go.
This is it. Ladies and gentlemen, the second runner-up here at Beaulieu at Simply Ford 2023 is the Focus. Congratulations to you, sir. Very, very close. I mean, the voting was so close this year, and I saw it come in. I took fantastic build. Well done to you. Please accept your prize from Autoglim from John there. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our second runner-up. Which means I have the pleasure of telling you, and it genuinely is a pleasure, as you know, I absolutely adore these things. The winner here at Simply Ford Beaulieu is the Escort Cosworth! Do you know what you've won?
No.
You have won a prize from Autoglim and the Coveted People's Choice Award trophy and the opportunity to take me out in your car. Well done. No, well done. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for your People's Choice Award winner, the Escort Cosworth. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I do hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, underneath this video you'll find a thumbs up. Hit that, and right next to it there's a subscribe button. Hit that and you'll get a new video from me every week. Coming up next, I'm back up at Gaydon for the National Metro Mini Show, and then 2 weeks later we're back here for the American and Custom Show. It's always a great show, the American and Custom Show, and it's on Father's Day, so why not treat your dad to a brilliant show. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon.